Hey, welcome back. This is Adam from Blue Force E-Rides. Just got a brand new scooter in today. It's going to be coming out to our event so you can test ride it and demo it. This is the iEZWay EZ6 350 watt 36 volt scooter. Great commuter scooter. Goes up to 20 miles an hour, a 16-mile-an-hour range, so it's great to get around town, go shopping, throw in your cart. Super lightweight, around 30 pounds. Take it on the train, really easy to fold. Let's take a look at this, unbox it so you can see what comes in. Let's get rolling. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the scooter here. So we have our display screen up here on the top. You can see the speedometer up here. You can change that to miles per hour as well. It is currently in sport mode. Also has eco, drive, and sport. Battery level, nice clean. Great texture grips. You have disc brake on the front. It's a rear disc brake. And the nice thing too is as you press it, you get the nice brake light that flashes in the back. It has a great feature. Little bell. This is a clip, so when you latch it down to the back here, this will clip in so you can carry it. Thumb throttle, very nice. And then all the cables are wrapped nice and clean. Little rubber grommet right here. And then to put it together, it was literally just push the cables in, 2 screws here in the front, 2 screws here on the back, which had Loctite on it, so very nice. Latching mechanism, just push this in, drops forward, and the whole thing collapses. Super fast and easy. Nice honeycomb tires. These are nice for suspension, gives you a little bit of give there when you're riding. Nice little reflectors, and these grommets are great, so it keeps water out. Nice rubberized deck. Has this great texture here, as you can see. And then back to the rear tire, the honeycomb tire, and those rear brakes, and another reflector as well. Easy, convenient kickstand. So really great scooter. This is a great commuter scooter. They can get around nice and easy to fold down, take on the train, throw in your car, go to the store. Very convenient and really nice, and comes in at $500 too. Can't beat that with free shipping. Blue Force E-Rides, check it out. Come back often. Like I said, these are going to be out at our events, so you can test it, take it a ride around, and really enjoy it and have a great time. So until next time, take care.